Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Jaguar XF 2.2 diesel luxury Sportbrake automatic 2015, 73,000 miles, had the cam belt replaced at 59,000 miles, 2 owners, MOT till August 2025, £9,495. Pretty looking car this. Very dark grey, almost black metallic. 19-inch alloy wheels. Privacy glass, rear park sensors, reverse camera. Black leather inside. Multifunction steering wheel, just 73,902 miles. Sat nav, DAB radio, Bluetooth, heated seats, reverse camera, electric handbrake. Leather's in lovely condition. Very smart looking car this, with the privacy glass and all the chrome, daytime LE running lights. 2 keys, 2 owners, long MOT, 73,000 miles, had the cam belt done, good service history, 18, 28, 51, 59, 65, 67 and 72,000 miles. Nice when the luxury's got heated seats and a reverse cam. Power tailgate, load cover, space saver spare wheel. Everything you'd want really. Very nice condition. Great service history. There you go, power tailgate. Load covers in there, super clean. Just lift this up and show you the spare wheel. Spare wheel. They don't all have those. Jack, toolkit, alloy wheel locking key, all present and correct. Press the button, tailgate will close. Lovely, lovely thing that. All the extras you'd want. £9,495. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other XFs in stock. That's our website. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you'll get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You would then be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you for your time today and goodbye.